Such a good boy. Let's see what the wife prepared today. We got some string beans. Yep. It's one of those days, ladies and gentlemen. It's me, Mikey Pipes. It's Monday. I believe it's the 29th. It's the 28th of October. MAGA Square Garden. John Phillips, you watching? You watching, bro? Oh, yeah. If I didn't have to run 4 service calls yesterday, Sunday, to catch up, I still wouldn't have went. I went to the Nets game last night. The season opener, they played the Bucks, and the Bucks put on it was a good game. It really was. Gotta love my new seating arrangement at the Barclays Center. VIP 24, row 1. Oh my God, it's like almost orgasmic. You know, you had the VIP entrance there. They give you the bracelet, the Qatar Club bracelet on your wrist. You take the private elevator down to the club where you could shove so much food down your cum-catching mouth until you're ready to explode. And they do have decent bathroom facilities there. They do. So I went with Man Baby, and we were going to take the train. Well, should I say we took the train. Long Island Railroad from Woodmere with a normal transfer at Jamaica for Atlantic Terminal Station. But you think they would, with all the technology we have in this day and age, you think they would tell me that, hey, you know, there's track work between Jamaica and Atlantic Terminal Station. You got to take the subway. Hey, what are you smoking? Let's see. You know what? Let's get some Aquapana. I'm gonna have some drinkage. We're gonna get our drinkage going on here, ladies and gentlemen. I am thirsty. Oh my God, you have no idea what it's like. Well, I'm sure some of you do. So, and guys, in case you guys don't know, the other Mike's father, who's going to keep it real, should have been dead 10 years ago. Well, they finally put him in hospice over the weekend. Guy's almost 90 years old. Poor guy. So he's on his last hours or days remaining here. It's sad. You know, it's like to lose a parent, you know? It sucks. So the other Mike actually came into work this morning. Monday morning. It's like 6:45 in the morning. I hear the back door open. I look at the cameras like, oh, there's Mike. He parked his car in the parking lot. instead of swapping the truck for his car for the spot I have in front of the shop in Woodmere. And I'm like, yeah, he just wants to say hi and just see a familiar face. And we're going to send him packing. I'm like, you're not coming to work today, buddy. I'm sorry. You know, some of you may think I'm a cocksucker and I'm a horrible boss, and then I treat my employees like, even though they're my family, like shit. So you can go fuck yourself. I don't really give a fuck what you say, but at the end of the day, you know, it's love thy neighbor as thyself, but I treat my guys like family. I do. And you know what? Even with like Josh, you know, Josh was Frankie, Godzilla, Kelvin. They're a whole nother level. You can't compare. Like, Frankie was a cool guy. He just, you don't shit where you eat, bro. You know? So Mike came in this morning, gave me the heads up of what's going on. And I'm like, you know, just go home. Go back. Go be with your father. You have hours left. That was some Grey Goose. I'm joking. But he came in this morning. I said, Mike, I know what you came here for this morning. You came here for the coffee. I got the same one in my shop. And we have the same coffee beans in the shop too. There's a reason why the refrigerator in the office is packed. There's a reason why I take care of my guys like they're family, better than family. You kidding me? I don't let the kids touch that coffee. You kidding me? They don't generate income. Just keeping it real. But he came in, I was like, Mike, I know you want some coffee. Let's get some coffee. You want an espresso? You want a latte macchiato? Do you want a cappuccino? Send him home. That's the right thing to do, you know? So Daniel, Peter, and I, we gave someone heat. And boy, did we give them heat. New client. I know the customer from the neighborhood. Nice woman, divorced, kids, and a home warranty company that I'm not going to mention any names for is believed to have bypassed the flame rollout switch on her slant fin Galaxy gas-fired steam boiler, where once there was a call for heat, it proceeded to burn itself down to a crisp. And we got some good video of that. I'm going to show you a little clip right here.
Ladies and gentlemen, the video you're about to watch and the condition of what happened to the boiler should never have occurred. But unfortunately, someone decided to play HVAC technician and plumber, and the actions that they did almost burnt down the entire house. They bypassed the rollout switch on a gas-fired steam boiler that was still kind of young, less than 30 years old. Viewer discretion is advised.
Crazy shit. So we did the boiler. We got that done. Daniel went on 2 service calls. I went on 3 service calls. Got it done. Got it done. I'm exhausted. It's Monday. It's, I don't know, 7-ish. Keeping it real. 6:49. Monday, the 28th of October. Thank you for letting me shoot the shit with you guys. Appreciate it. And let's just take a moment of silence to express our thoughts and prayers to the other Mike's father, the other Mike himself, and his family through this hard time, losing a family member or about to lose a family member when you know the end is near. There's two things in life that happen in this world: death, taxes. Moment of silence, guys. Catch you in the next one.